In this video, I would like to introduce you to this Ulanzi Insta360 1R Plus metal cage. This metal cage was designed specifically for the Insta360 1R boosted battery. This is a co-design between Ulanzi and myself, and I'm so excited to tell you that this is now in stock and you can buy it on the website. And in this video, I would like to introduce you to some excellent features of this brand new 1R Plus metal cage, and I would like also share with you some update between this prototype and the final release. Okay, now let's get started. As we know that with the Insta360 1R boosted battery, we have more than 3 hours continuous recording battery life. So this is quite amazing. Definitely the best choice compared with the original red battery. And I'm very excited that until recently, there's just no solution for the frame about this boosted battery. I know that for some of you can have a 3D print frame that could solve this problem, but you still don't have a very good extensibility. That is the reason why I started a co-design with Ulanzi. Start from the top, we have a door. The door mechanism is like this, so you can put this 360 mod like this inside this metal cage, and still for the 1-inch Leica mod, you have to screw out this protect lens and put it inside the frame. Let's take this 360 mod for example. Take out the lens cap, put it like in this way. As you can see, you can still push the buttons on the top of the camera. And the other good news is that this metal frame is still compatible with the lens cap officially provided with the Insta360. So you can also protect your 360 mod like this. At top of the frame, we have point to track, which is compatible with the Insta360 1R AI tracking. And on the bottom of the cage, we have 1R Plus. This is the name of the metal frame. On the side of the metal cage, we can see we have a cold shoe mount on the top, a cold shoe mount on the side. So we can put a light on the top, and we can still have microphone on this orientation. In the USB Type-C, we can put inside that a microphone adapter for the external microphones. The bottom design is one of my favorite features of this metal cage. As you can see, this is a 1/4-inch mount in the bottom. We can screw in the mini tripod like this. There's no problem. It's very solid, stable. And it is also foldable Gopro mount. And it is a patent design by Ulanzi because this is a rectangle and it is not a round hole inside this one, because as I have mentioned before, if you want to put it inside this GoPro mini tripod, you can push to the bottom and it will have anti-twist. It will not twist against this mini tripod. And if you still want to have a twist feature, you can put it like this, and now your camera could rotate along this angle. And if you to the bottom, and now it's anti-twist. And like this design very much, this bottom design has been improved a lot compared with the prototype, and is now very solid and super stable. This is the biggest improvement compared with the prototype. It's around 19.3 grams. It's not heavy at all, and this boosted battery with Insta360 1-inch mod is 119, so altogether we have 283 grams. It's not heavy and it's just very stable, super reliable, and the battery life is just insane. I'm very excited to share with you this update, and for those of you who are asking me how I can get it, you can refer to my link down in my video description and you can purchase yourself. And finally, you can have reinforcement for the boosted battery and make your Insta360 1R even better than ever before. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Bye.